Okay, so g of x is equal to x cubed. So one way to read that is wherever you see a g of x, you can replace that with x cubed. They're one and the same thing. So we have g of x plus 2. Well, that's x cubed plus 2 because g of x and x cubed are one and the same. So g of x plus 2 is x cubed plus 2. For part B, it's 2 times g of x. Well, that's the same thing as 2 times x cubed because, again, the g of x and the x cubed are the same. There's different name for the same thing, which can be simplified to 2x cubed. Now, I'm going to go over to D. I'll come back to C in a minute. 2 times g of x plus 2. Well, that's 2 times x cubed plus 2, or 2x cubed plus 2. Now, g of 2x. Now notice you don't have g of x anymore. You have g of 2x. So in other words, there's a slightly different input. It's not x being input, it's 2x. So what happens when you have a different input? Well, let's take a look here. If g of x is x cubed, then g of 2 is 2 cubed. G of negative 1/4 is negative 1/4 cubed. And for instance, g of negative x, for instance, would be negative x cubed. So g of 2x is just 2x cubed. This is the input that's being cubed. Here x is being cubed, so 2x is being cubed, which simplifies to 2x times 2x times 2x, or 8x cubed.